Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating china currently being listed on our websites. Nice piece of period Woods Ware here, very characteristic shaped teacup from Woods. This is Alva, which is one of the designs they were producing in the early part of the 20th century, 1920s to 1930s actually on these particular designs. Now Alva was made in a variety of different colour combinations. This is the plain blue and white version. Quite a few pieces you'll see were coloured with quite vivid colouring on these transfer designs. Very nicely detailed around the inner rim of this very flared and designed teacup. It's octagonal walled really, which matches and picks up the octagonal walling on the saucer plate we'll come to in a minute. Nice period Wooden Sons Burslem England Alva mark on the base, demarcating it very nicely. Good label, very nice clean condition inside. The glaze is absolutely fine on these. A lot of Woods Ware from this period has glaze crazing, which still makes it usable, but certainly devalues it slightly and makes it less attractive. These are in absolutely mint clean condition. Let's move to the little saucer plate. Again, Alva design. Apologise for the background noise. I've got my two little helpers with me today. Molly and Sophie, our puppies, are just in the background trying to amuse themselves while I do a little bit of listing. It's not going to work out too well, I don't think, for too long. Here's the saucer, nice octagonal shape with that octagonal rim being picked up in the saucer well. Matches this teacup base. And this one's got a really nice full Woods Ware. Thank you, enough on the base. Again, dating this to around 1920 to 1930, but just look at the reflection on that. There we go, very nice indeed. Hold on a minute. Can you button it please? Just for 5 minutes? Have a good scratch, but do it quietly? No. At least her sister's being relatively good. So let's go back to the china if we can. Here we are, Woods Ware, Alva, 1920s to 1930s in really lovely bright condition. Teacup and saucer sets. I think we've got quite a few on these. We haven't gone through the full set that we purchased at auction, but I think there's going to be about half a dozen of these and possibly some more flatware, servingware, and even a teapot to go with, I hope, a milk jug and sugar basin, all in this lovely bright condition. So do watch the website over the next few days as we work our way through this pile and list it all gradually. At the moment, I'm just listing 2 of these for sale, but as I go through the box, we should have, as I say, a big quantity of very nice quantity Alva. So the link description below will take you through to the website listing. As usual, thanks very much for putting up with my puppies and watching this video. Bye for now.